चिड़िया चू चू करती है, तोते ताली बजाते हैं, ये सब मेरे साथी हैं, मिलकर शोर मचाते हैं। प्रकृति है मेरी शान, पशु पक्षी उसकी जान। A heartiest good morning to my honorable judges and my fellow friends. My name is Jannat from class 3 Jannat English Medium School. Today we all are gathered here for a beautiful elocution on animals and nature. Yes, judges, as we all know, the beauty of nature and the animals' innocence, which plays a crucial role in our day-to-day busy life. But what the animals and nature in this earth get returned from us? Nothing, nothing and nothing. Each day I learn, research and read about all the animals who are in need. The pain, the fear, the unbelievable harm from us in the circus, the rodeo, the bird, the factory farm. I see the beauty of animals and nature from far away. It looks pretty. But do you know, judges and friends, my heart pains to see it because it is being destroyed bit by bit, slowly, slowly and slowly. I want to say that the animals and nature seems all so free until the human kill as much as can be. But why? Why all this cruelty? We have to stop. I can't understand what have they done? What is going up? The innocent animals and nature ones have no choice. They have no voice. Each of us, we have a choice. Each of us, we have a voice. Raise your voice as I have mine. Yes, it takes time to help them, but let us not stop. Our Mother Nature consists of many features. She respects every creature. So let us not waste what she has given us in haste. So no matter which religion, caste or race, let us pledge our promise that Mother Earth with amazing animals and nature knows no damage, no harm, no fear, only happiness, and only happiness. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.